Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. The perimeter of a square is 48 centimeters. What is the area in centimeter? So we're looking at a square, and we're given the perimeter and asked to find the area. Let's highlight a few things. Square, that's it. So what do we know about a square? 4 sides are equal. So there goes our square. We're given the perimeter, which is 48 centimeter. So we put that in. Alright, from that information, we can really think about the length. Because if all the sides are equal, the same, and it's 4 sides, I can divide 48 by 4, and that will give me the length. What is 48 divided by 4? 12. Alright, so what is the area in centimeter? Now that I know the length of one of these sides, right? I know the length. I know that here is 12, and here is 12. Good. Area is just L square, or length times length. So let's put that in. Length times length is 12 times 12, which is 144, which makes my answer D. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.